we've been talking about the practice of anchoring through your body, through your felt sense, as a means to stay present, to relate from presence. And that equally important is to trust experience and to own what is your experience. There are also other nuances to this. And that is that part of this practice is about being with the other in their world. And since we can't initially know how the other's experience is, we can, first of all, listen with a willingness to be impacted, which can be very vulnerable, and also own when something in us wants to know more about the other. We can actually start feeling maybe how that is, but also honoring that we don't yet actually know. And one practice part is to, for example, share assumptions. And that can be like, before when we recorded, I got a sense that you were nervous. Was that true?
Yes. That was true. And I feel seen, that you acknowledge that you say that. It makes me feel that's okay. It's okay being nervous. Thank you.
Thank you. Again, I feel this warmth of love in my chest. And what both Karin and me just did was sharing impact. As you mentioned, I felt seen. That becomes this beautiful gift of sharing what the other person's share evoked. And I did the same by saying, like, I feel again this warmth of love. It's often spoken about trusting experience, and I want to add nuances and flavors to that, because an understandable question would be, well, what is experience? And what experience? What part of the experience? With that, I'd like to say a few words about what I refer to as our social body, and then leave some room for you to share your perspective on that.